Right, now we can continue with our subscribers boxes. Let's see what we have to fix. If you want to send your model engine to fix or repair, here's the info. You can mail it to Custom Trackmasters, PO Box 725, Norwalk, Ohio 44857. That's the zip code. And remember, I do not charge to fix or repair your model engine, but you gotta pay shipping on two-way from your location to my address and back to your house, and the parts. And now you still have the option to leave a tip if you want to consider leave a tip on the invoice, and don't forget to add your email. Now let's continue. Here is what we gotta I want you to understand. I will try to fix all the models sent to me on this week and the next week. So, wow, what? So we have 2 weeks of fixing and repairing. Look at this. Let's take a look at this note. Okay, the troublesome strokes just need the paint, Sharpie, marks removed. A new sticker face for the pink troublesome truck. This one is coming from Brooklyn, New York. I will do that, and again, please give me some time. I will definitely work on all these model engines during the next couple days and the entire next week. Now let's see the package. So I'm showing you that I received your packages right here, and oh, sorry, cut that one. I can read it. What is here? Oh, look at that. A lady. Hold it. Okay, lady. What is the face? Right here. Okay. Stickers. Oh, the back stickers are really bad shape, so we gotta change the back stickers. And let's see what the note says. Possible, please fix the funnel. I don't know if I can fix. No, I don't have the parts or how to fix it, but I could use another lady. But the thing is, we gotta wait, and I gotta find the silicone and make a copy of the funnel maybe, but it's gonna take time. Okay. It says the motor needs to be fixed and cleaning, replacement the side rods. Okay, the side rods miss the paint. We'll see what we can do. Repaint the lining, repaint the lamps. Gears need to be cleaned or replaced. Please return when finished. Yes, yeah. I will do my best. Remember, it's gonna take time. Look at this. Nice picture. Sorry if I turn it. Here's a good picture. Restore the magic. Awesome. Okay, I will do my best. Next box. This one is coming from Gettysburg, Maryland. Look. Let's see what is in here. Try not to show the address or the name. So let's see. Okay, we have opened the box. Wow, I can see that can be fixed, but we can find a replacement. And here is the note. Hello, I'm Abing. I've been subscribed to the channel for a while, and I'm a big fan of your work. I sent the following engines, and I hope you'll be able to help. Edward, restoration. Outer shell needs to be fixed, replaced. Left drive wheel needs to be reattached, replaced. Running board and stripe need to repaint it. The wiring board and running board, sure. Okay, you got the idea. Let's take a look. And I think this is one of the models that can be fixed. And the thing is that maybe we can find a replacement. Probably we can find a replacement for Edward. Wow, this model definitely needs. Oh, look at that. Wow. Oh, what happened to Edward? What? It's falling apart. Literally, it's falling apart. Wow. I don't have at the moment, probably have maybe 5 or 6 shells. I can find a replacement for you, and definitely will do my best. I love this. Oh, look at that. It's working. Amazing. This is amazing. I love this kind of challenges. These are really good challenges. But the good thing is, the only thing I can do is find a shell and fix, put a new wheel right here. This one, it doesn't work, so we need a new one. And I have a lot. I was showing my previous videos, like this one right here. See this one? I can use spare parts for this model from this other Edward. So don't you worry, I will fix it. Now again, please be patient. I gotta take my time. I mean, I will try to fix this the entire next week for all my subscribers, because there are a lot of models that they sent me, and I still need to find a way to fix them. But I will focus the entire next week to finish it. All right, this one I think just need let me read. It's a noisy motor, and you know I already showed you how to fix it. Okay, Percy motor needs to be fixed. It's loud and it's unreliable. The wheel sometimes lock up. Okay, the gear problem. Yes, you're right. The gear problem. Battery connection correct. New tires. Okay, you got the idea. So definitely our friend, the name is Aubing. I'm sorry if I misspell it. I will fix your model. I will take a really good care of it during the next couple of days. For every of my subscribers who send me your models, I will fix them as soon as possible. Cordoba, Tennessee, to custom Trackmaster. Okay, let's see what do we have here. This one also is from one of our subscribers, one of our friends sent us these models. Let's take a look. Okay, we have 4, I think. There's a Stanley. Ferdinand. Okay, there are a lot of models here, and let's see what's the problem with these models. And I hope you don't get bored watching this video. But we gotta show, we gotta show you what are coming right here. I will definitely work on the model engines this week. So we have one Stepney. I gotta read what's going on. Let's see what's Stepney is working, and now I think it's skipping one of the gears. Is not working either on the axle or inside the motor. Also, there is a noisy gear right here that needs to be replaced. I'm gonna read the note and see what our friend requires. Next we have okay, and try to be gentle. This one is a remote control Percy. See the tire face, and I see there's some corrosion right there. And here is Emily. I think Emily is missing just the coupler. Yes, I do have some replacement if you are asking for Emily, because I used Emily for other purposes. Now we have Ferdinand. Oh, stuck. Here's what's going on with Ferdinand. I will tell you right away. There is broken gear. Oh yes, right there. Probably you can see right there. And the axle is broken, so the tooths are wider like this, spread. And when it's trying to move, one of the gears stops right in there instead of going like this. So you got the idea. See? This one is going to be a really good demonstration how to fix that one, Ferdinand. because I probably upload one single video of San Ferdinand and how to fix and repair that Ferdinand. Okay, now let's take a look. Oh, this one is to try not to cut or damage the engine. As you can see, it's a single video I'm trying to upload. And now we have Stanley. Stanley is missing the part right here. I don't know, I don't have those, if you're asking. Okay, Stanley is keeping, see, there is a gear problem right here, and we definitely can fix that one. Soon we are going to upload it. Now the next and last model from this subscriber, sorry if I haven't read, Leslie, yeah, Leslie sent us these models to get fixed. Oh, kind of hard to get access to it. Okay, and we got okay, I think I remember this model. It's from kind of I forgot from what set was this model engine, and it's working, as you can see, but it's keeping one of the gears, and looks like it needs some stickers. I can do that. Okay, let's read the note real quick. Oh, Ferdinand director removed. She has sleeping gear, steering gear fixing, traction rods and traction tires. Emily needs a couple. Okay. Tire fair person. This one depends on you. If you have a remote control for him, if yes, please give him one and see if you can get the corrosion out of his blue collar. If not, just see if you can get the corrosion out of this blue car. Stanley make a strange clicking sound when you turn him. It don't know what causing. Okay. Red funnel Thomas. He has sleeping gear and the needs the new stickers and make his entire funnel red again. I got your letter and your note, and I will see if I can fix this during the next couple of days. Okay, next. And this one is from Mars, Pennsylvania, I think. Okay. And the next one is a remote control Thomas, RC Thomas, and this is from Timoshed. Yeah, I remember. Okay, and the other one he sent us is a flip face talking hero. Now, I do not have the stickers for the tender, or maybe I don't remember. Probably, I don't recall. I think I have a template somewhere. And now, I don't think we can fix the circuit board. One of the main always say if it's a talking model engine, I can't fix the circuit board. If it corroded, I will not be able to find it, because there is no replacement circuit board for talking models. And if you found one, nobody's gonna send you the circuit board. But we'll see what we can do. I don't know if this one is working or not. The other day I sold one to a Japan customer, but I explained him that I replaced all the battery contacts and rewired the entire model. So I had to get rid of the circuit board, and that way that's the only way to make it work, but without talking function. Okay, now the next is a talking action James. See right there, talking action James. We don't know yet what's going on, but as soon as I get to the repair, we are going to find out what's going on with this model. Battery contacts look clean, so I'm going to try to do a quick reading. He said something about the okay. He said that James needs a new gear. His red wire is broken off or something in the cab, and clean up. So he said the red wire is broken. Okay, so then that will be easy fix. If there's no corrosion, then we are good. The problem is with the Hero is I don't think it's gonna work, but we'll do our best. And I think that's all for today. I made a long video and I hope you don't get bored. So again, I will work on all this model that you've seen on the entire video during the next week, and probably this week trying to get them done. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.